Welcome to vlog 2 from the birthday series. Now we are on road Betalbatim in South Goa. Watch my previous vlog for knowing what happened before this. So we've checked into our next resort in Betalbatim called Nanu Beach Resort. It's right on the beach. But the thing is we've come in a little too early, so we'll have to wait for an hour until we get to check into our room. So I'm just like going around the resort looking for interesting, nice things to show you and see. We haven't got an upper floor room with a balcony, but we got this. And I think this is really nicer than having an upper floor room because you are in touch with the earth here. Not that I'm trying to sound too dramatic, but it's nice you have this space with these wedges which separate us from the rest of the rooms. And then outside is the road that needs to be mentioned. Now I want to show you the room. It's not a very big one. It's like medium sized, I would say. Small rather. Yeah, it's clean. That is all that matters. And the size is just fine. I like the lighting fixtures. And this way is the washroom. And this way is the exit. And a nice garden view at the exit. What we're going to do now is, I think we'll go out for our fish thali. And we have reached Spicy restaurant and there's like a long line of cars. Not ample space for parking, but I hope it's for a good reason that everyone is here. I'm definitely going for prawns.
I'm going for calamari. Hot.
Very. We are now going out for our tea. We haven't had a cup of tea or coffee to drink since the time we reached. And although the time is not for that now, we are still doing it. Slight rains. Yeah, everything looks like it's shut. So this place we've come to, there is one sign outside hanging, but it looks like it's closed. But I don't know, this is how it is with most places in Goa. Look like it's gone, doesn't exist, but then enter to find this surprise that okay, there exists this small little world inside, away from people's prying eyes. It's 11:30 in the night and we are like still out here partaking in these games. So this is day 2 in Goa. I've come out to the garden to show you how it looks. See, this is our room. Those are the other rooms, and it's a little sunny, so I'm going right under the sun where there are not much trees, and here's the sun. So that's my cozy room behind me, and now we are planning to head out for our brunch to a place called Mama Miso, which is in Arosim Beach. That's in South Goa too, and it's not very far from here. And I think I'm quite done with the fish thali already because I had like a lot to eat yesterday. So today I'm going for summation, and the day is like kind of sunny, kind of rainy, which is kind of okay. Right now the sun is quite out, and it's quite humid too. But yeah, it's been good so far, and I'll see you once we reach the restaurant. Just look at how sunny it has become. So we have come back from our brunch, very tired, a little tipsy, and quite full. So it's because of that reason precisely I'll be going for a swim now, because there is no other way. I'm staying physically active on this vacation. There's no gym in this resort, so I'll have to take matters into my own hands. I'll see you in the pool. So it is our last night at this resort, and we have just come out to have some dinner. It's good. Why have beer when you can have such tasty soup? So good. I'm now only thinking, why didn't we have the food at this place before?